So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in table of contents block inside of Notion. So for that, let me just go ahead and see this is a paragraph right here, just like this. And I'm simply going to go ahead and then copy and paste these content out right here. Let me just go ahead and copy this, press enter, paste it, press enter right here so that I got a bunch of paragraphs. So now what I'm going to do before I can make the table of content is add in some headings. So I'm going to press slash and add this in as heading 1. So this is sample heading, let's say for example, just like this. I'm going to go around and press enter, and then let's say I'm going to add this as heading 2. So subheading 1. So this is what I have. Press enter, and then I'm going to go around over here, and then this is going to be heading 2 as well, just like this. So subheading 2. So you can see that I got headings right here, and you can have subheading 3 and according to how you like. So now once you actually do this, what you can actually do is add in table of contents. So if I were to go around, press slash right here, table of contents, then you can see that I actually have the sample heading and the subheading right here. If I were to go ahead and remove the name, you can see that it dynamically changes right there as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead and add in a subheading 3. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and type in heading, go for heading 3, and then you can go ahead and say subheading, just like this. Then you can see that this is what you have. And as I click on it, you can see that that is actually there. So let's just go ahead and copy all of this and simply paste this out right here a few times. And you can see that all of it is here in table of contents. I can go around and you can see that it dynamically links to that particular content right there in this particular table of content. You can go ahead and even move the table of content wherever you want right here. And that is how you can work around and add in table of contents block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe